Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Pisces, this is August monthly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Pisces water sign. August. So what are the messages for you and what's going on, Pisces? What's going on? Two cards. I'm not taking. Oh, lot of. Okay, 9 of swords. Pisces, what's going on? Oh my God. Two cards again. Justice, the sun. I think you decided to cut off one person from your life. You stand by your power. Justice, maybe someone is coming back for second chances and there is happiness is coming towards you. Right now your period is very difficult for you, but it is temporary. There is happiness is coming towards you. For some children's also involved in this connection, and especially Libra is involved. Could be the person involved in this connection, or Aquarius. So let's see your reading. Recent past 8 of cups, 5 of swords and 9 of swords. So you decided to move on from this connection because you decided to leave behind everything that doesn't serve you anymore, Pisces. 8 of cups is here. Again, energy could be vice versa, guys. So in my view, this is you. So 8 of cups. So you decided to walk away, and 5 of swords because there are a lot of disturbances between you and your person. Even it is difficult for you, but you did that. And 9 of swords, but you are unable to move on from this person because you are getting a lot of thoughts and you are unable to sleep. Especially when you are alone, it is very difficult for you to let go that person, to forget that person, because you love them. That's why you are unable to move on from that person, Pisces. Then present 6 of swords, the star, and 3 of swords. Yeah, it is very difficult for you to move on from that person and you are heartbroken, literally. 3 of swords energy. You are in so much pain, Pisces, and yeah, you decided to move on. You decided to move on towards calm waters, but there is some hope. Things are started turning out into your favor. The star card is here. Maybe if you are moving on, still you want your person back. There is something is holding back you again. And future 9 of cups, Knight of swords and 7 of swords. Why you broke up with this person? Because this person is sneaky and played games with you. 7 of swords energy is very sneaky energy. Maybe they cheated on you, lied to you. There is a lot of deception in the connection. Maybe this person is toxic for you, Pisces. And Knight of swords with so someone is rushing towards you to communicate with you. There is communication is coming towards you, Pisces. And 9 of cups, your wishes are going to be granted in near future. This is not a permanent energy. This is a temporary. After that you will stand by your power. Then you will be in this energy. Your wishes are going to be granted. 9 of cups, wish fulfillment is coming for you. But for some who are in third party situation, definitely a person playing games with you. This person is very toxic for you, Pisces. And the person involved in this connection could be a lot of air energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Then water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Especially Aquarius or Libra. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. Hanged Woman under the deck. Maybe your person stuck right now. For some, your person is spiritually awakening. So Pisces, let's see your person feelings towards you. Your person feelings towards you, Pisces. Lot of cards. I am not taking any of these because lot of cards are popped out. Your person feelings towards you, Pisces. Yeah, there are a lot of things going between you and your person. Disturbances, arguments, fighting. Ace of Swords. Yeah, they want to clear things with you. Maybe they want to express their true feelings to you. They're feeling alone without you because Five of Pentacles is here. They're suffering in silence, but they want to express something to you because Ace of Swords, communication, truth coming out. Maybe they want to fix the things between both of you. Five of Swords energy is here. And Princess of Cups. They have emotions for you. So let's see their actions towards you. Pisces, King of Cups. Your personal actions towards you. Seven of Pentacles. Five of Wands. A lot of drama is going between you and your person and the world. Some cycles are going to be end between you and your person. For some, this could be long distance. I want clarification card for Seven of Pentacles here. Why it is Seven of Pentacles? Yeah, Ace of Cups. Maybe they are waiting for you to take action towards them. For some, they also invested in this connection because Seven of Pentacles is here, waiting mode. But they have love for you, Pisces. King of Cups, they want to offer this love to you, and Ace of Cups, their love towards you is overflowing, but there is a lot of drama is going between you and your person. Five of Wands is here. Maybe they're trying for your attention also. And the Hermit, right now, they are not talking to you. They are spiritually awakening for some. So their actions towards you, so they're ready to offer their cup of love to you, and they want to communicate with you because Ace of Swords energy is here. They're suffering in silence, Pisces. So let's see. Let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, King of Pentacles. Three of Wands. Yeah, waiting game. And Knight of Wands. They're very passionate about you. They're very attracted to you. Yeah, they want to take this relationship to next level, but there is some waiting is there between you and your person. Maybe they are waiting for you to take action towards you. Maybe they are waiting for your message, call, but they're ready to offer to take this relationship to next level. I think you are holding back. Maybe you are also obsessed with them. Maybe this person is toxic for you, Pisces. You are holding back and you are listening to your intuition, trusting your intuition. You both are obsessed with each other, what I'm saying here. There is obsession, passion. Yeah, I think you both want rebirth in this connection. 10 of Swords. Maybe for some this one type of ending between both of you, but still you both want rebirth in this connection. Especially you, Pisces. Maybe you are holding back, but your person want rebirth in this connection for sure because their love towards you is overflowing. So I want one more card. Yeah, a lot of drama is going between you and your person. But still they want rebirth in this connection. Then it's up to you, but you decided to holding back. But there is a lot of obsession is there. You are also obsessed with your person. Lot of obsession what I'm getting here. Lot of drama. One person is doing lot of drama in this connection. So let's see your overall energy, Pisces, for the month of August. Yeah, second chances. You decided to cut off someone from your life. You stand by your power. You are very grounded and powerful. You are getting success for your hard work. It's your card, the Moon, Pisces. You may be manifesting something in your life very big. So let's see your person overall energy. Wheel of Fortune. Maybe things are turning out into your person's favor also. Yeah, right now they're not talking to you. They're healing themselves. They're doing meditation. Yeah, they want to communicate with you. Communication is coming. Sneaky, I already told you this person could be toxic for you. They wearing mask. One person in this connection definitely toxic person for the other. And King of Swords. Yeah, they want to communicate and they want to give clarity also. So let's see some messages. from your person end. Decision time. You are the only one for me. New love is coming. Free yourself. I can't let you go. Yeah, they can't let you go. Free yourself. They're feeling that you are the only one for them, and it's decision time. New love is coming. For some, a new love is also coming towards you. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Pisces. What do you need to release? So if you have any negative thoughts, negative feelings towards anyone, towards anything, so you have to release those. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.